everybody, this is Joy at House to Rent. Today we are at 707 South Russell Street in Marion, Illinois. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath home, all for $650 a month. As you can see, we are currently in the living room. We have nice carpet and nice neutral paint walls. 2 windows for that natural lighting, and we have a ceiling fan also. So you have lots of circulation there. So as we turn around, as you guys can see, this is a semi-open floor plan. We have linoleum flooring, and it goes straight into the kitchen. So we do have a dishwasher and a microwave and an electric stove. We have some counter space here that you guys all have a look at that. And a few cabinets there for you. And nice white appliances. All right, so right off here from the back door, we do have a nice porch. The sun is shining, and also if you let you guys take a look, see if you can see it through there, we do have a ceiling fan too. So here's the porch. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. Look at that nice porch. On those nice summer days, it'd be nice to set out back there. So it's kind of a semi-open floor plan, as you guys can see from the kitchen to the living room. There's a connection there. And right off to the left, what you're going to see now is the first bedroom. Again, it does have the carpet flooring, nice neutral paint, and a ceiling fan. A window for that natural lighting again. And right off to the left of this bedroom is the utility room. So this is where your washer and your dryer hookups are at. It's actually quite spacious. You do have some shelving there for storage, and off to the other side, some more shelving for storage. So you can actually use it as kind of double as a very large walk-in closet. We also have another closet in this room. You guys do have plenty of space here to store things. So straight on, as you guys can see, there is a connection through the bathroom. We do have the shower and bath combo, linoleum flooring, and your vanity. So nice oak vanity there. And a medicine cabinet. So it's kind of a 3-way there, if you guys can take a look there. So let's go ahead and walk through the bathroom as it connects to the other bedroom. Again, we have the carpet flooring, nice neutral paint, 2 windows here. As you can see, all that nice natural lighting. We also have a ceiling fan. And again, another closet. Let you guys all have a look in there. So this is 707 South Russell Street in Marion, Illinois, 2-bedroom, 1-bath for $650 a month. If you are interested in scheduling a showing in person or online, if you'd like to just view, go ahead and visit our website at H, the number 2, R, and the word rentals.com, where you can view, schedule, and apply online all in one step. This is Joy at House to Rent, and everybody have a wonderful day.